We have thousands of ideas for making another world possible. Ideas for overcoming a violent, unbalanced and unsustainable system, promoting viable alternatives in participatory and deliberative democracy, environmental sustainability, social, equitable and sustainable economy, non-speculative financial system, knowledge sharing and democratic communication, overcoming wars and violence, democratic global governance. We are thousands, millions of people willing to carry out these ideas. We are thousands of organizations able to promote them. Can you imagine what would happen if every year we could agree on a common action? An act is an action for a common transformation. An action carried out by active citizenship. Global, simultaneous, and with an effective and specific outcome, which seeks a social, economic and political palpable transformation. ACT is not just a local or national project, an awareness campaign without a line of action, a way to circulate an agenda or a call for a public protest. The Salt March is an example of ACT. It was a direct action campaign using civil disobedience, a non-violent protest which empowered the Indian population by showing its citizens' capacity to achieve major objectives, in this case, the independence of India. Even though it may be small, an act aims to cause a specific change in the current correlation of forces between the 99% of the population and the 1% of privileged minorities by non-violent means, non-cooperation, civil defiance, and creating new alternatives. Groups, organizations and networks around the world can submit an act. We just have to join the ACT 2012 query process via the internet. Commit ourselves to spread the word about ACT 2012 across our networks and contacts, and/or help organize it. Share Barcelona Consensus BC objectives. If you think any of the ideas or projects of your group, organization or network could be an action for a global transformation, enter the Barcelona Consensus website and fill out the online form. All proposed actions will be published on the website. Then all participating networks, working groups and organizations will choose the action for a common transformation for 2012. ACT proposals may be submitted until March 23rd. Each year a new query will be launched, leading to a different ACT. If you submit your idea or project to ACT query, you will gain the following: visibility, the chosen ACT will get human resources, international support network, economic resources, €8,000 to organize and carry out the action. Have a question? Enter the Barcelona Consensus website or contact us at info@barcelonaconsensus.org. We globally rose up against the Iraq War. We globally rose up on the 15th of October 2011. Can we innovate beyond traditional forms of action? ACT, where ideas, people and organizations become actions for a common transformation. ACT 2012.